How to replace the cabin air filter on a Kia Sportage. The filter is located behind the glove box. First, open the glove box and disconnect the dampener arm. There are two stoppers in the glove box. Just turn counterclockwise to remove. The glove box now comes down, revealing the housing of the cabin filter. Squeeze the clip on the side to remove the lid. Now we can see the filter itself. So we need to gently pull this out to remove it. Get your new filter and make sure the airflow arrow is pointing downwards. Put the new air filter in and put the lid back on. Put the stoppers back in, twist clockwise. And don't forget to reattach the dampener. And you're done.